All right, here we go. Got the Remington Magnum Express 3-inch 10 pellet triple odd buck shooting at a 100 yards through a Marlin original goose gun just to see what kind of pattern we get out at 100, seeing what it can do. Y'all stick around and see what goes down. Alright, as you can see, at 100 yards through a goose gun, 3-inch Magnums, Remington 12 gauge, 10 pellets, triple odd buck. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5. Oh, one down here, 6. 6 on paper. So that's it pretty much hit the whole target at 100 yards. That was aiming dead center. So here we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The other ones are just obviously off paper. But there you go. If you're ever wondering what buckshot out of goose gun looks like at 100 yards, now you know. Thanks for watching.